guys.
Hi guys.
Patty Lewis Family Adventures.
Hi guys. This is the Patty Lewis family. And today our adventure is making slime. The ingredients are detergent, glue, shaving cream, warm water, and we also have food coloring. Okay, let's get started. Because makes the detergent with the warm water. Ow, shoot. Ow. Okay, let's get started. It's hot? Yeah, it's really hot. Do not touch. Who's long that way be? Mix it up. Yeah, time to mix it up. It's really hard. That's why the color changed to that color. Guys, I put the glue inside the bowl, and now it's time to add the food coloring. Let's get started. Hold on, let me help you. Oh, Mom. Here you go. Now add it. Squeeze. Okay, guys. Let me have my butter. Oh my God, the thing fell down in the glue. Oh, no. Okay, guys, we're gonna start mixing now. Okay, guys, let's start mixing. Okay, look. Okay, look. Mix. It's orange, I know. We're gonna be adding the detergent and the water to my brother's bowl. Okay, we ready? Yes. Okay, my brother's mixing it up. It is getting sticky. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, guys. Just like stir. Yeah, come on, stir. Look, stir. Stir. I want this one already. Okay, guys, stir. Ace it up. I'm gonna be adding the shaving cream. Yeah! Well, guys, I'll be making like fluffy slime. I'm gonna start mixing. Let's see started. Yay! It's fine. It's fluffy. Let me show you. Let's add this. Look at what's turning. Just a little bit. Faster. Oh my God, guys. It's turning out hard and sticky. Guys, I gotta add some more. Okay, stir. My brother's making is using a new color now. And I am still stirring this. It's almost turned out strong. Look. Guys, look how fluffy it is. This is our slime. Come on, baby. Get your muscles into this.
What?
I'm strong, guys.
See? Another snap. Yeah.
My next color right now. The food coloring. Okay. Anyways, the food coloring is black this time. It is a little gray, so I'm gonna add some more black. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. Oh,
I can see my color.
it's better in there.
I can see because it was so good because I like them. Anyway, not that it's not coming
Put
up.
this other stuff on
Going
this.
a little bit.
Guys, this still looks great.
I see. What we say?
Okay, this is the last strip. Like I said, if it's still great, I guess that's it.
I like your color, AC.
Thanks.
You want?
Yep. I looked up all the black, and the color did not look like black. It looked like gray. So guys, I'm just gonna use the other color. That's blueberry, and mess it up with the with the gray. Oh, God. Okay.
I like it. Well,
This is gonna happen. Okay, guys, I'm gonna mix. Guys, it looks gray still, but blue gray. And guess what? It looks like there's gonna be more detergent water, so I'm gonna add a bit of it inside. Okay.
that's how I started talking like you.
I'll pour some more. We're all done with our slime, and this is what we got. Hey guys, wanna see something? Look at that, I just found out. Since it looks fluffy, look what kind of noise it makes.
Might know it. Wait. I don't know what noise is.
Hey, now go! How about press the subscribe button, the like button, and comment down below. Bye! Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Ready? Noah's Family Adventures.